Yeah, well, fundamentally it is a breach of international law and to conduct a war in that manner, to deprive an entire population of food, of the necessities of life, of basic life, in my view constitutes a war crime. Israel should desist from this. We do need the release of all the hostages. We need the ceasefire to be restored, and we need an uninterrupted supply of aid and fuel into Gaza. The world is looking on appalled at the level of suffering that is currently ongoing within Gaza. That the Palestinians in Gaza have suffered enough, far too much. And from any human perspective, this is something that has to stop. And the international community must speak out on this and must put pressure on to bring about a resolution. In the short term, at least, the restoration of the ceasefire, the release of all the hostages. It's shocking that those hostages are still in captivity after such a prolonged period. They should never have been taken in the first place as hostages. That's a crime, a war crime in itself. And we need humanity to break out here.
Taoiseach, should there, if